This park has lots of birds and lots of cats trying to catch the birds, along with mongoose. Mongooses? Mongoose? I don't know, plural for mongoose. If you don't have a hammock, make your own. This is my room in this city. I am on the 18th floor. Decent room, dated carpet and design, but that's okay because this is my view. I'm on this patio. Let's check it out. Stormy afternoon. Alright, let's go explore. See where we are. A lot of things are named Ala Moana around this area, and here is Ala Moana Park. I am at a spot called Magic Island, a man-made island or peninsula. Let's look at it from this way. And out here is a beach with a lagoon. You can swim. There's people swimming out there already. It's not even sunrise yet. Another 20 minutes, I think. And then here comes some famous landmark right there. And here is quite the cool neighborhood of this city of over 300,000 people. I saw a mongoose, cats, a rat, all on my walk out here. That looked like a lot of work to me. Whoa, rowing. Don't know if you can tell or not. I should play volleyball for a minute. Oh, here they come. Wow, I got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was me kicking that ball. Well, here's a game I've never seen before. I've never seen this game before. It's a real thing?
Spike ball.
What's it called?
Spike ball.
Spike ball. I saw you spiking it. Okay, cool. Spike ball. Spike ball. Another something I had never seen before. All right, I found some pickleball courts. Which, look at that, rolling nets. I am about to go out and snorkel here in this cool city. But rain is threatening, so geez, I hope I don't get wet. It was a valiant effort to snorkel and hopefully see some marine life. Unfortunately, in this beautiful spot, there are no fish and marine life to see, at least not at this moment. It's a pretty white crane. Saying, do you have something for me? Sorry, I don't. Hi, bird. At times the sun wants to come out and then it's just obstructed by clouds, so they just won't go away. It just keeps drizzling and raining. It switches between a light drizzle and then a pretty heavy drizzle. Not like last night when it downpoured though, thankfully, so far. Ala Moana Beach has nice showers. That one's covered. The other ones aren't. I just snorkeled in this bay area, and finally, as I was about to get out of the water, I saw a school of these translucent fish all around me. It's pretty cool. The name of this city can be translated into Sheltered Harbor, and a nickname for the city is the Big Pineapple. What state are we in? Amongst the unfortunate trash down here in this water, I can see a couple colorful fish, more than I saw while snorkeling. I can't believe this city allows the trash to accumulate here in this area, in the water. I would have manpower making sure to keep this area clean, pristine. There's beautiful tropical fish down in there. Ugh. Oh, I'm excited. I might be able to go out there and not get rained on. The state bird isn't a rooster, but it could be. Got a Japanese Segway tour going on. Ohayou gozaimasu. There they go. Over here, check it out. They're doing drone footage and cinematography for probably wedding pictures. Look at that. Cool. I am probably about to get rained on pretty good for the third time in this city. Hi, Kiki. Ooh, surprise. Started meowing when I got close. It's like, this is my rock, and I'm not moving. Don't step on me. Oh, there's crabs walking around. Big crabs. Look at it. They're jumping from rocks. Wow, they're all over. Some mushrooms. Point of reference. There's my foot. I'm inside a food court. A Philly cheesesteak place. There's Japanese restaurants, seafood restaurants, veggie restaurants, Barro's, Lahaina Chicken, Senor Pepe Mexican Grill, a Vietnamese restaurant, a Panda Express, a little bit of everything. This is on the bottom floor of the Ala Moana Mall. Haagen-Dazs, oh yeah. I'm at a curry house. I used to go to a curry house in Iwakuni, Japan. I wonder if this is the same. We got a Jollibee in Henderson and close to the house. We tried it once. That's all I'm saying. So this city has no professional sports teams. However, I did attend a Pro Bowl football game held at a local stadium. They used to hold it until about 2019, I think. They stopped. This is a famous mall in this city. Half outdoor. Of course, called Ala Moana Mall. At the end of the year in this city, you'll be hearing Mele Kalikimaka. It's the thing to say. Public art. This city is the largest city and the capital city in this state. A couple NFL quarterbacks are from here, Tua Tagovailoa and Marcus Mariota. This city is the 10th most visited city in the United States. You know, maybe I shouldn't leave my umbrella at home. I am soaked. I want to go to Ala Moana. I want to go to Ala Moana. Ah, the sun's right in my face. Uh-oh, this trip's about to get expensive. An escalator for carts. at Target. Mongoose fever.